Hey guys, I am back again for another live. This has been so fun to jump back in. It's been a while since I did, multiple days in a row. Hey Edie, how are you? Oh, we got Craft with Nicole, When to Scrap. Nicole is on our design team. So awesome to have her as part of our community. Onyx63, Diane McNabb. Awesome, yay! I'm so glad you guys were just eager to hop on and talk with me today a little bit more about My Simple Scrapper. And today I want to focus on, hey, dash of moments. Yeah, I love the sparkles. You might as well. It's anything right now to add a little sparkle to our lives. So today I want to talk about when you need to be available to make the most of a My Simple Scrapper membership. Because that's one of the questions I get a lot, particularly if, we have a class going on or an event is, when are the sessions scheduled? When do I need to make time in my calendar? Am I in the right time zone? What if I work? All those things. Oh gosh, we got so many more people. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I guess it helped to maybe give a little preview of what hour I might be on. All right. So the answer is, I would say 2/3 to 3/4. So 66% to 75% of what we do is asynchronous or self-paced on your own time. So if, say we're having a live event such as Refresh coming up, all that content is posted on the first day and you can work through it at your own pace. But then there's also live crops scheduled during that time so that you can hop on with other scrapbookers and scrap with them live and have conversations. So we have the conversations going on in the comments 24/7 because we have members from all over the world. And then we do have, a portion of what we do are our live sessions that are scheduled. And as much as we can, things are recorded. So if I'm hosting a session, like, if you've been to one of our Your Way workshops, you know that those are recorded. Our book club discussions, those are actually typewritten chats. We always post transcripts of those. Anytime I host an event that has a particular time, I do record it. Now we have so many open crop times scheduled by our members that we aren't able to record those because they're just happening all the time. And so that's just hop in when you are available. But I wanted to, maybe put your mind at ease that if you're worried about your schedule or your location or, how are you going to fit this in, is that one, we design most of our content and most of our activities and events together to be flexible and able to fit into your schedule. And then part of that is also we work really, really hard. And as folks that love to create content and ideas and send lots of stuff to you, we work really hard at pulling back and actually giving you exactly what you need in the moment and designing activities and experiences that fit into your schedule. So if you're just gonna hop in and do something new with us, we want it to be something that's doable and to fit into your schedule and not something that becomes that thing on your list that you keep moving forward from week to week. I know I have my list over here and there's some things that just keep getting moved from week to week, and why don't I do that thing? And we work really hard at Simple Scrapper to make sure that everything never becomes one of those items, because we want to support the projects that are important to you. And so we'll give you these little activities to do, but fundamentally what we're about is supporting the projects that you want to work on and helping you tweak design. And we talk about course corrections all the time, and course correct those projects that they're more simple, they're more fun, they're more finishable, and they're exactly what you need to feel great about it. So Nicole mentioned, love that if you miss a live event, you can always catch the replay. Yeah, we really try to work hard at that. We actually have a members only playlist on YouTube just for all of those types of things. And then we also post the videos to the community as well. Awesome to see so many friendly faces here today. So I'm gonna I have a couple more things to say, but if you have any questions, now is the time. Anything at all related to My Simple Scrapper and what you get with a membership, we have this special promotion going on right now where you can get 6 months for $75, and you can hop over to my profile at Simple Scrapper to find that link. Or if you already get emails from me, you can find that link in a number of the emails that I've sent recently, because I want to help you to start fresh for the second half of the year. We all know that 2020 has been a little cray-cray, and we could all use that permission to start fresh and that encouragement and support, and I know that our community can provide that for you. And if you haven't checked out the video that I posted yesterday on YouTube, it's a full, I think it's like 20 minutes, 22-minute tour of the community, so you can really have a better sense of what you get when you join, what that experience is like. We have a member orientation class in there and lots of ways to connect with our team as well as fellow members. There's an event calendar, classrooms, groups. It's really this all-in-one, very cozy environment that doesn't have a lot of distractions and allows you to just focus on and celebrate your love of scrapbooking and memory keeping. All right, I think that's all I have for today. I need to go back and continue my meal prep journey. It's Sunday, and so I'm trying to get a bunch of things done before we kick off a new week. Please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to answer for you. Take care, guys. Bye.